Hey, hey. Sorry. It's raining outside and it is Saturday. I have been outside and I'm so happy because it's I got Norwegian strawberries, and the way why I talk so much about it is because they are so sweet, and this year it has been raining a lot, and because of that it's taken them long time to be done. So because of that the flavor is much more sweeter. They taste more like strawberries than many other strawberries from other countries, I think. The reason is I'm living in Norway and we don't have so much sun. This is from a local farmer and he has different types. So when I saw the bus driver was jumping out to buy, I did the same thing. Gå til musse. I was talking about last time the tiny strawberries who grow wildly, and they are so tiny as this. Tiny and they taste so sweet. That's why my hair is wet, because it's just raining. I put it one inside and I ate two of them. It's not much of them, so you are lucky if you find some of them. And my childhood way of eating this is just to chop them, taking some sugar on. Oh, not so much. When I was kid, I think I took more sugar on. And then this is whipped cream and a bit of milk, and you just do it like this, and then you eat. That's all. So, and I was talking about the raspberries in my garden, who is wild. This is the thing you buy, and as you see, the size are nearly the same at everyone, and it's yeah, it looks it's bigger and it's more like later. I will do something about them with maybe vanilla sauce or something. I'm just listening if I have to save. Yeah, I need to do something about my cats. Maybe I need to cut this video. In that case it will be my first cutting. We have to see. Kan du hjelpe mamma mye? Sånn. Sånn. Kom, musse, kom. Pss, pss, pss. Kom da. Kom. I take this other cat outside here. She can be there. Sånn. I'm so sorry. That's how it is to have animals. They do all kind of things you don't plan for. Maybe I cut this away, but maybe not. I think it's kind of, that's like animals' life is. people who have animal, they understand what I mean. So then I have my strawberries, and wow, it's the first time I have seen they have been outside selling them. It's so good, it's so sweet, and it's so much strawberry flavor. Oh, I got a tiny one. The wild. I'm coming from the north of Norway, where they are more strawberry. Some is growing, but not so much because of it's so cold. So to me, strawberry is the best. Oh, it's so good. I have one fruit experience on my bucket list, you could say, and that's to taste bananas who is done in the sun, you could say, because when we get the bananas, they have been packed when they was green. So to taste the banana flavor from a banana who has actually been in the sun is, wow, that had been so nice. So wow, if you have banana in your country, lucky you. Wow. Susie think it looks so it smells so good because of the whipping cream, but the only thing she can smell is, the flowers. That's Susie, if you are new. It's so good. I don't know if it's poison flowers, but I will take her away anyway. Do you know if this is poison to cats? She wants to eat them, but I don't. Maybe she will be sick. I don't know. So good. I mean, Susie. Det kan du ikke spise. Bringebær. Kan du se her? Check this out. I gave her a raspberry to check. She didn't want it. She just wanted to check all of mine. Oh my god. I have to check out that one. But I guess she wouldn't eat it if it was poison. I don't know. No. That's dangerous. Cats eat grass and catnip, and so I don't know. Oh my god, I need to go to the Google afterwards. Susie like that I'm doing this. I think she do, because she comes every time. Oh, it's so good. I have to make some vanilla sauce or something to this. These are so good with vanilla sauce. It's so good. The rest I will do something with, I don't know. Okay, I hope you had a nice day, and I hope that it ended how you wanted it to be, and that you are home and safe, and that everyone you love is okay. This was my meal for today. I will see you next time, I hope. So please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. So take care and be kind, please. Bye bye.